The Fairfax County Budget supports local services such as schools, public safety, parks, libraries, and more. Virginia law requires Fairfax County Government to pass and maintain a balanced budget every year. Work on the county budget is a year-round process that begins in the fall when the county executive and school superintendent share their budget forecasts. The county executive's budget forecast predicts what the local economy, housing market, and tax revenues may look like for the upcoming fiscal year. The superintendent of Fairfax County Public Schools also shares a budget forecast outlining how student enrollment and other factors may affect the upcoming school budget. Both forecasts help set the stage and manage expectations for what lies ahead. In early winter, the superintendent proposes a school budget for the upcoming fiscal year. The school board can make changes to this budget request or not. The proposal represents the amount of money the school system is requesting in a transfer of funds from the county. In February, the county executive releases a draft budget for the Board of Supervisors and the community to consider. This is called the county executive's advertised budget for general county services and the school transfer. Next, the Board of Supervisors proposes an advertised tax rate for the upcoming fiscal year. This advertised rate becomes the ceiling for how high the tax rate could be increased. The tax rate that is eventually adopted can be the same as or lower than what was advertised, but not higher. With the advertised tax rate, the county executive's advertised budget, and the requested budget from the school system all on the table, the Board of Supervisors invites residents to offer feedback and suggestions. The Board of Supervisors listens to residents at budget public hearings, community meetings held throughout the county, and through emails, letters, phone calls, and social media. In April, based on extensive engagement from the community, the Board of Supervisors makes changes to the county executive's advertised budget. This editing process is called budget markup. The Board of Supervisors must formally adopt a final tax rate and a final budget by May 15th of each year. The adopted tax rate and adopted budget go into effect on July 1st, the first day of the new fiscal year.